Oh my god.
Oh,
This is like,
shit.
oh, we found
What
a handstanding zombie, guys.
It just, this is weird. We threw a grenade at it, and this is what happened. I'm taking more smash up. This is so sexy. Teabag, teabag, teabag.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's getting angry at us. He's getting angry. Ow! He like falls over when you look. He can't hit you. He can't hit you. He can't hit you. Is he what? Dude! That's so whack. Oh!
Don't kill it. Don't kill it.
That was so cool. Oh man.
Damn, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
They have those on Cavern too. It's not a big surprise.
I know what's special.
Well, how's it special? I knew there was handstanding zombies.
I know, but that's the first time it's ever happened to me. I've never seen it.
Monkeys! It's dogs, so I'm gonna waste some. I've heard a myth that the dogs go to the monkeys on World at War. I think it's only on the original maps.
Oh, no, it's only on the
Like
iPod.
the Reese.
No, iPod.
Oh, the iPod. Well, I have World at War on the iPod and it works. I thought they were talking about the computer. Maybe it's the computer, but just on original maps. I know the monkeys don't work, but we're gonna get
Kill it! Kill the dog!
I did.
That's where I go.
Whoa. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. I killed it. I killed it. Holy. Okay. Are you ready?
What the hell's going on my screen?
I don't know. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Make me breathe fire for a second.